All right, all up there, all good to go. Let's turn this auxiliary light on. Or not, because the battery's dead, whatever. Okay, these are them installed. Like I said, I'm running 2 of the 3-gallon tanks. Clean stall. Got all the grade 8 shit, so hopefully it'll last for quite some time. So now the only other thing that I'm thinking about doing, which I think I can do, see if how long this will last. This little hole right here is where you put the spare, where you mount the spare at, and then the nut from the inside is how you would actually kind of lower the spare on it. So what I think I'm gonna do, just because it's already there and it's already a hole, and I can get a little rubber piece to kind of seal it, I think I'm gonna run all the electrical and everything right there for the compressors, because I think I'm gonna put the compressor somewhere right here. I think it'll be fine. I don't know, we'll figure it out. If it don't work, then I'll change it, but yeah, I like it. I like it so far. I think they look good. More importantly, they don't hang as low as the exhaust, so they're nice and kind of tucked up there, so it makes it a little nice. But I'll continue this little adventure and I'll record it and I'll show you guys later. Peace.